Hi, Peter. Good evening. Hi, Peter. Good evening.
Evening teacher.
Yes. How's everything going with you, Peter?
It's great.
Wow, that's really nice to know. What did you do yesterday, Peter?
Mm, forgot the class and I ate dinner with my family.
Yes, I know that you forgot. I actually waited for you and I was thinking that maybe Peter is busy, but it's all right. Okay, because
Oh,
I did not wait
I
for
don't
30
busy.
minutes. I only waited for 15. I'm sorry.
I don't busy. I didn't busy.
So what did you do yesterday? You just
Mm, I ate dinner with my family.
Did you eat out with your family?
No, eat at home, but forgot.
Okay. Yes. Oh, I'm gonna give you a tip so that you won't forget our class next time. You can set an alarm clock. Set an alarm clock every Monday and Tuesday only. So our class starts at 5 o'clock, right? So you can set your time in 4:55, 5 minutes before our class. Okay, so that you will not forget. That's what I do. That's what I always do with all my classes. I always set an alarm clock because if I don't set, then I will miss my class. Okay. So anyway, last time, if you can remember, we started already with Unit 14. It's all about are you hungry or thirsty? How about now, Peter? Do you feel hungry?
Yes, and eat salsa and
Salsa or
rice.
sausage? Oh, sausage. Wow, that's perfect. Okay, so enjoy having dinner while listening to me. Okay, and in here, last time we already sort out all the foods accordingly into 5 columns, like foods that belongs to fruit, that belongs to vegetables, meat, made with flour, and made using milk. Okay, so what are some examples of food that are considered fruits?
Teacher, but we done that.
Yes, okay, let's just see if you can still remember. Can you give me one example of food that
Apple.
is made? Very good. What about vegetable?
Mm, Coconut.
Coconut. Very good. What about meat?
Mm, Beef.
That's right. How about made with flour?
Pizza.
That's right. What about made using milk?
Mm, Cheese.
Cheese. Wow, perfect. Okay, I want you to look at the food that you're eating. You're having sausage and rice. Okay, so where will you put the sausage? Is it fruit, vegetable, meat made with flour, or made with using milk?
Mm, mm, Meat.
Meat. Nice. How about rice?
Mm, Vegetable.
Vegetable. All right. Actually, rice is not among the 5 columns in here because rice belongs to wheat or what we call rich in carbohydrates. Okay,
Ba.
other products of wheat are bread,
Hindi kasama meat.
pasta, like
Meat
that.
daw.
Okay, now let's look at this one, Peter. So on the next page, we're going to look at the two circles in here. Okay, so first we have this pink circle. And the second one, we have the yellow circle. So each of the circle has several words. Okay, so what are you going to do? It's very easy. You're going to listen to me and tell me what am I. Okay, so the answers are in the circle and yellow circle. So number one, This is a clever insect called a bee. Makes me. A clever insect called a bee makes me. What is it?
B.
Okay, yeah, so a bee makes this one. So what does a bee make?
Honey.
Very good. Okay, where is honey in this circle? Can you circle it? Honey, honey, honey. Very nice. Okay, now look at number two. Okay, you add me to water to make a really cold drink. What am I?
Thirsty.
Thirsty? Try again. You add me to water to make a really cold drink. So if you are thirsty and you wanted to drink a water, what do you put in your water so that it will be very cold?
Mm, rock.
Pardon?
Rock.
Rock? Do we put rock in our water? Can we drink the rock? Try again. We
No,
cannot
water
drink the
rock.
rock.
Water
Water
rock.
rock. What is water rock? Can you draw it for me? What color is
Mm,
the water rock that you're referring to?
what the rock is mm, mm, when the weather is very cold, it make water is cold, so it's ice, ice.
Yeah, there you go. Not rock. We call it ice. Great job. Okay, so you are thinking about rock because an ice is as hard as the rock, but the ice melts, the rock doesn't melt. Okay, how about number three? I am made of sugar and fruit. You put me on your bread. What is it?
Mm, butter,
Uh-huh. Yes.
butter,
What's that? It's a
butter, butter.
butter? Yes, it is a butter. Very good. However, okay, a butter is like an oil that we use when we fry something. How about another thing that we put when we eat a bread? And it is made of sugar and fruit. A butter is made of milk and oil. How about something that is made of sugar and fruit? Sometimes it's pink, sometimes it's yellow, sometimes it's purple. It depends to the color of the fruit and its flavor. What is it?
Yogurt,
Yogurt? Do we put the yogurt when we eat sandwich?
no sugar,
No. Sugar? Okay, it is made of sugar. It starts with letter J. What am I?
I need to see. Snack,
Okay. Yes, we can actually eat it for snack, but it's just a part of snack. Okay, let me give you another clue. So the flavors of these are strawberry,
and
pineapple,
strawberry. Jam,
mango. Yes, jam. Great job. Okay, how about number four? Number four, I am made with milk and sometimes fruit like strawberries.
yogurt,
Yes, great job. Yogurt. Okay, and last one. I'm white and I look like sand. But don't put me in your tea or coffee.
sugar, sugar.
Try again. I'm white and I look like sand, but don't put me in your tea or coffee. I don't taste sweet or I'm not sweet. What is it?
Interesting. I don't know.
Okay, the sugar, we put it in our tea or coffee sometimes. What is another powderized form that we don't put or that
And
we never
salt.
put in the
Salt. Salt.
Yes, salt. Very good. Okay, so this is perfect, Peter. This is a good start. So you have 5 out of 5 in here. Well done, Peter. Okay, now let's look at the other words. What are the other words that we can see inside the circle?
Okay. Mm.
Okay, cookie, very good. Okay, let's play a game. So I'm going to describe the other words that I can find in the circle, and you guess what am I describing? Okay,
Okay.
so look, when you make me, you put me inside the oven, and sometimes you put some chips on top of it. What am I?
Can you say again?
Okay, when you bake me, you put me inside the oven and you put some chips on top of it. What am I?
Pancake.
Try again. And children loves to eat me.
Sugar.
We have cookies. We put the cookies
Cookie.
inside the oven. The pancake, it can be done in a pot, in a pan, not in an oven. Okay, now your turn, Peter. Describe something without saying it, because I will guess.
Mm. 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 This is like sand. Mm. People usually put me me in tea or coffee.
Sugar.
Sugar.
That was a that was a piece of cake. Okay, another one.
Mm.
Another one.
Mm. Mm. This a meal.
Say that again.
This is little meal.
A little meal that we eat when? Is it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
Mm. 1 o'clock. No, 1 o'clock.
At 1 o'clock. So I think that is a snack. Wow. Very good, Peter. Okay, so now let's move on with part B. I want you to read and guess what Julia is talking about. So Julia is a chef. Okay, is she talking about pasta, sandwiches, or fries? Okay, let's look at number one in here. You can make this at home with eggs and flour, but I bought a bag of these from a shop. Put it carefully into very hot water and cook it for between 5 and 9 minutes. So, what is she talking about here?
Mm. Noodle.
Noodles. Let's see. Ta-da-da-dang, ta-dang. Yes, that's considered. Pasta is considered noodles. Okay, great. Now, what about number two? To make cold ones, put food like salad, eggs, or jam
Mm.
between two pieces of bread. Some people like making hot ones with cheese or meat inside. What is it?
Sandwiches.
Very good. Okay, now look at this. Which words in sentences help you choose the answers, Peter?
Mm. One is mm, egg and flour and very hot water.
Very good.
and that too.
Nice. Cook it for between 5 and 9 minutes. Very good. Okay, what about for number two? What gives you the clue to to say that it is sandwich?
Mm, Food can style that. Egg or jam between two by us bread.
Very good. Okay, nice. So I want you to look at this, say pieces.
Pieces.
Great job. All right. Now let's look at this number three. I want you to complete the sentences about the other food. So what food is this?
Right.
Very good. Okay, now look and complete the sentence. You can do it, Peter.
We need potato.
Very good.
Number one is potato. Yeah. Mm. Number two is
What do we do with the potatoes? Yeah, so what's that? Or what do you call that one when you use a knife?
I don't know.
All right, so which you cut into thin pieces and what do we do next?
Chickpea and cook.
Okay, and yeah, what kind, how do we cook the fries? Do we boil it? Do we fry it? Do we grill
Right.
it? Yes, and fry it or cook. Very well, very good because you said cook, so you got it right. So here, people eat them with food like what?
Spaghetti.
Very good.
Spaghetti. Chicken.
And there's
Burger.
another burger. That's what I was looking for. Burger. Great job. So perfect for that one. I'm gonna give you this. Great job, Peter. So this time, let's test your listening skill. Okay, very easy. Listen and tick the box. Here it is, Peter.
14C. Are you hungry? Thirsty? Listen and look. 1. What can Julia have for dinner?
What can I have for dinner, Dad?
Would you like a bowl of soup and some cheese, Julia?
Not really. I had that for lunch at Claire's house.
Did you? Well, what about some meatballs with tomato sauce and rice?
Can I have beans with some sausages? I like those much more.
All right.
2. What did David have for lunch?
What did you have for lunch at school today, David?
A burger.
What did you have with it? Fries?
No, I was very good. I had a salad.
Did you have a banana milkshake too?
No, just a glass of water today.
3. What does Katie want for breakfast?
Good morning, Katie. Are you hungry?
Not very. What's for breakfast?
I'm having eggs and tomatoes. Would you like some too?
No, just bread with jam, please.
OK. What about some orange juice or strawberry yogurt too?
No, thanks.
4. What did Frank eat at the party?
Did you enjoy the party yesterday, Frank?
Yes, it was fantastic.
We did puzzles and had a dance competition. But there wasn't any birthday cake.
Oh, were there lots of different sandwiches to eat instead?
No, only pizza. But it was delicious. It was as good as yours, Mum.
All right, now are you ready to check your answers?
Mm.
Great. So number one, what can
I
Julia have
don't
for dinner?
saw in number 3.
Oh, say that again.
I don't saw the answer in number 3.
Oh, you're not sure. That's all right. So do you want to listen again just in number 2 and number 3 or not anymore?
Number 3, only number 3.
Only number 3. Hold on. Here it is.
Hungry?
Not very.
What does Katie want for breakfast?
Good morning, Katie. Are you hungry?
Not very. What's for breakfast?
I'm having eggs and tomatoes. Would you like some too?
No. Just bread with jam, please.
OK. What about some orange juice or strawberry yogurt too?
No thanks.
All right. So let's
4.
check now. So number 2, what did David have for lunch? Great. Number 3, that's correct. Just jam and sandwich. Then lastly, pizza. Wow, perfect, Peter. Okay, so very good. I appreciate it because if you are not sure with your answer, you ask me to listen again to that specific number. So I'm gonna give you this one big star. Well done, Peter. What about you? What did you have for dinner last night?
Dinner.
Mm.
I forgot. Mẹ có quà ăn gì?
You forgot? Mm.
Fish.
Fish. Was it fried fish or fish soup?
And fish and eggs.
Wow, great. That's yummy, Peter. Okay, so in here, let's read the sentences and write one word for each line. So look at number 1. This is an example. How often do you do sport? Now, what about number 2?
Number 2. Go to
Number 2, we have here.
different kind.
How often do you eat different what? Different kind of fruits. Okay. How often do you eat different? Wow, nice. Kind. Okay. How often do you go to bed very late? That's right. How about number 4? How?
How
How often do you have drinks with sugar are them? Is this your final answer?
I
Okay.
know it's fall.
Yes. Okay, so this is how often do you have drinks with sugar in them? Okay. How about number 6?
Food. How often do you eat food?
Yes, that's right. Okay, number 7. How often do you wake up or Walk up or climb stairs? What do we do with the stairs? We could walk up and,
Go up,
okay, we can go up
walk
and
down, walk up
go.
and walk down.
That's right. Okay. So how about number 8? How often do you drink 4 or more glasses blank water each day? Oh, great. Okay, number 9. How often do you forget to blank breakfast?
Mm,
Yes, to eat breakfast. Okay, and last number. How often do you play on the computer for more blank 2 hours each day?
Lăng. Mà
Or more than. Wow. So you've got an almost perfect score in here. 9 out of 10. Now, I'm going to ask you the questions. Okay? Then you tell me your answer. All right. So look, how often do you do sport, Peter?
ừm, I sometimes do sport.
Great. How often do you eat different kinds of fruit and vegetables?
Ừm, Sometimes.
Sometimes. How often do you go to bed very late?
ừm, Never.
Wow, very good. How often do you have drinks with sugar in them?
Ừm, Sometimes.
Yes. Okay, how often do you eat chocolate and sweet?
Usually.
Usually. So let's just say, so where do we put usually? Okay, let's say every day.
More than sometimes and less than every day.
Yeah, so it's like in between in here. So let's just say every day. Okay, so what about number 6? How often do you eat foods like burgers, chips, or sausages?
Mm, Usually too.
Usually. Okay, to balance it, let's put it here in sometimes. Okay, number 7. How often do you walk up or down stairs when you could use a lift?
What else could use up a lift?
Ah, how it's like how often are you going to use the stairs when you couldn't use a lift?
What is a lift?
Let's say for example that a lift is an elevator. So when you are living in an apartment or a flat, you can see a very tall and big building. So that building is
Every day,
composed of
every day.
different units every day. Okay. So number 8, how often do you drink 4 or more glasses of water each day?
Every day.
Nice. A9, how often do you forget to have breakfast?
Never.
Wow. Last one, how often do you play on the computer for more than 2 hours each day?
Never too. I don't play computer 1 minute a day.
Ah, 1 minute? That's too short. But very good
I
because you're not addicted to
never.
computer games. Never. Okay, now let's tally your scores. So for number 1, how much scores do you have? B, that's 1. Oh, so I will just circle it instead, like this one. It's already time. So we will just, let me take a picture. Take a picture of it, then tally your score, Peter, so that you will know how many scores you will get. So don't worry. I will take a picture of it so that next time we can total it because it's already time and I have next class. So thank you so much for joining, Peter. Okay, I'm looking forward to seeing you next week and enjoy your
Bye, teacher.
Bye, Peter. Bye.
Bye, teacher.